Welcome back, guys. Bienvenidos, Murcia Capital. It's not a clear day today, but that's good. Makes it a little bit cooler. This is El Valle. You can see all out over there. Bunch of stuff behind those mountains. Mountains all over there. Listen, this place is incredible. Today, I'm gonna just kind of explore, see what I find. I'm gonna post whatever I find. It's been way too long since I made a video. Sorry about that. I've been in an English camp in the south of Spain, in Andalusia. Anyway, check it out. I've actually never done this first part without dismounting. Obviously this smooth part, yeah. But it gets pretty chunky back over here. It's freaking sweet, but chunky. I probably won't do it today without dismounting, but I'm gonna show it to you anyway. Been too long without a video and I don't care what it looks like. Actually, I've learned a lot of lessons today out here on these trails. Good God, this place is a beast. But I think I finally figured out a good route. So the next video is gonna be a little bit different. Still out here, but different types of trails and a nice circle, so I don't have to go down, climb 1,200 feet each time, 1,200 feet just to do a trail. Okay, so I forgot which way I actually need to go. I think this is the hard way. Gone this way. I'm gonna try and save it by going off. I'm cheating, totally cheating. I didn't dismount it though. That's funny. The rest of it actually smoothens out. It's not, well, short and it's chunky, but it's a little bit faster. Yeah. Almost to the end now, actually. It's a fun trail. I love it. Hopefully the camera angle is still right. Kicks you out onto a road. And the camera still looks good. I hope my headphone wasn't all open the screen. If it was, sorry about that. Okay. Yeah. So anyway, I've been in these English camps all summer long. Well, not all summer, but enough to where I just haven't been able to film. Gotta make that money. Gotta survive. Oh yeah. But it's great to be back on the bike, especially out in LA. Another little short trail. Fun. Short though. Nice little drop, not a drop, but a little, rock wall on the end. You're not gonna be able to tell. Not with the angles. At the GoPro. What's up with the rocks? Something going on? Is that a way of some sort of angry hiker? Mad biker? It's huge rocks in the middle of the trail all of a sudden. It may make no sense. Huh. I'm pretty sure. Look at this, yeah. It's like a, yeah. It's a total hiker or something. That's kind of more dangerous than anything. Time to head on back to the car. Not much light. So far, this has been a hell of a route, man. I'm not gonna bomb this down. I'm not that. Try that again. I'm not gonna bomb down these switchbacks, and it's all switchbacks because it's evening time, and sometimes there's just too many people walking and hiking, and I just don't want to endanger anyone. Anyway, so far I've only gone 7.2 miles, but I've gone 2,200 feet. So a nice little ride, as you can hear, and as you can kind of see. Anyway, I really do enjoy this little trail right here back down to the car. It's quite beautiful. We're weaving between mountains. So I'm just weaving through these mountains. doing switchbacks all the way down, and I'm literally gonna go straight down to the car. Thank God, no more climbing. I'm not gonna show you all of this, but I'll show you pieces of it as I go. Oh, finally, we're getting closer to September. The weather in the south of Spain is gonna be so nice here in the next couple of weeks. Oh, I cannot wait. Then, unfortunately, I'm sad to say, I'm going to be moving. Well, I'll still be in Spain, but I'll be in Malaga. Hello. The hikers, and that's why you don't go flying down this particular trail. Hello. Anyway, it's actually not that many hikers tonight. So you have hiking trails and you have biking trails. This trail is multi-use, but you gotta respect it, you know? Yeah, with like a KOM or something like that, but not worth it. Not worth it. We can all enjoy these beautiful trails. Oh, love it. Frickin' love it, guys. This is just beautiful views out here. I always gotta slow down around these blind corners in case there's a hiker. In Spanish, senderismo, to hike. Sendero, the hiker. Lots of kids love to see that stuff. These Spanish kids sometimes, man, they're out here climbing mountains at 3 years old. It's incredible. And freaking incredible. Getting closer to the bottom, as you can see. This is a hell of a climb. This is also, by the way, I climbed up today. Like I said, it's multi-use, you know, and climbing you're just gonna go a lot slower. I already see another climb. Alright, so, you know, if you guys want to see this actual path, check out my Strava, because I'm going to be cutting and editing this. Alright, check it out. Give me a follow, by the way. Thank you. Almost. You can open it up a little bit more now, because you can see far enough to see if there's any riders, any hikers, anyone coming. And, oh, we're still not done. Almost to the car though. on this thing. Last stretch. Oh yeah. Last stretch to the car. Whew, okay. Man, I'm pooped. Alright, like I said, it's good to be back. It's been too long. So I'm gonna see you guys real soon, because I'm gonna finish this video up and I'm gonna post another one, because I've been filming out here for a few days, trying to get a few things, nothing crazy, just really get some videos out there, get some content out there, and show you guys some trails and a little bit of the city. I'll call this video a wrap. Okay, awesome.